Virus creation. In this video I will show you how you can make simple virus, and using virus how you can run browser automatically using virus, how you can delete some files from folder, how you can run command prompt automatically, how you can stop to opening some program like calculator when you try to open it. So in this video I will show you how you can create viruses that has all the features that I have described it. So let's begin. Here I have Windows 10 machine. Now just open Notepad and just type @echo of, means this virus will not echo code on display, and just give reference loop start and just give command start, means when you open command prompt and give command start, it will open another command prompt window. So just give start command, give start www.google.com, it will open google.com. You can see by running on command prompt google.com, it is trying to open google.com. So now we need to delete some files from folder 1 and it will quit automatically. It will not ask for yes or no. So now let me create one folder in C drive. Just go to the C drive and create folder 1, and in folder 1 create some document, important document of bank. Now just type go to loop start, means when this process complete it will start again loop start, and just save it. Just save on your desktop and just type fun.txt.bat and just save it. Here you can see fun.txt is available. Now let me open folder 1 and just run fun.txt. Here you can see google.com is opened automatically, but loop start not started. So we need some changes in file. So just right click on it and edit it, and just does not give and just double click on it. Here you can see it is opening. Here multiple browser is also opening. Here you can see, so it will not stop, it will keep running and running. So we need to restart the machine. So let me revert to snapshot. So hope you understand how we can create virus using simple text document. You can also create virus using some tools. Here I have a terabit virus maker. Just double click on it, install, yes. Here you can see symbol of terabit virus maker. Just double click on it. I don't want to disable task manager. I don't want to avoid opening notepad and don't want to spread with removable device. Just click on avoid opening calculator. Let me check first calculator is running or not using calc command. Calculator is working fine. Also type calc here and just click here. Calculator is working fine. You can bind this virus from this button. Just click on browse and select file. It will bound this virus to the other files. Here you can define virus name also. If you want to create a virus name, so here a file name is a fun.txt.exe, and here you can see it is a word file. So let me select font. It will look like a notepad file, a text file, and just select create virus. You can save setting information. Setting saved successfully. Here we can define custom command if you want to. Fake error message like program installed successfully. Custom message. You can test it. Program installed successfully. It's not critical. It's information. Just test it. Program installed successfully. And now if you need to save it, just click on create virus. Select desktop. Just click on OK. Fun.txt is created successfully. Now just double click on it. Program installed successfully, and now we need to open calc. It's not opening. Here you can see. Click on calculator. It is not opening because affected by this simple virus. So hope you understand how we can create a virus and how attackers create a virus and attack on your machines. So thank you for watching this video.